Mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything fine. Let's go. The late adopter. Good morning, guys. How you doing? Welcome to a new Bitcoin daily video every single day, exactly at 9:30 Central European time. I'm bringing you the latest tech analysis on what's happening with Bitcoin. And today it's like no man's land day. We are sitting exactly in the middle of the triangle. You know, nothing is big is happening. How you guys doing? I see that somebody posting that Elon tweeted something. Then I had to go check. He didn't tweet anything. Good morning, people. Good morning, Jose, Moria, Research, DJ, Abid, who's here, Rami, Keith. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Thought you wouldn't do live. Why wouldn't I do live, man? Why wouldn't I do it? I do this live every single day. Doesn't matter if it's raining or snowing or earthquake or World War III. I'll still do the live every single day at 9:30 Central European time. Just so you guys know. Elon is losing his power. Yeah, somebody, there was a guy yesterday that I read on Twitter. He was explaining how Bitcoin, how Elon Musk is becoming like Peter Schiff, you know. Because in the start, you know, everybody was listening to Elon Musk because, you know, Elon Musk was loving Bitcoin. You know, he bought Bitcoin, he used Bitcoin to sell Tesla. And then he started, you know, funding Bitcoin. And, you know, in the start, every tweet had an effect. But right now, like, every tweet is having a less and less effect because, you know, people are just ignoring him right now. So, you know, that's the tweet. It's a reply. It's a reply on the tweet. Brave Twitter Elon Musk. Reply on a tweet. Let's see what's happening here. He has nothing. Why is his tweets and replies? Literally not updating. There you go. He posted a thumbs up. Bitcoin argument is a little possible to money per price of Bitcoin. Yada yada. Where did we go wrong? I'm not quite sure. This is 5 hours ago. No, he just is a hell of a drug. I don't know. I don't want to play Model 3 or speeding. Something it is. Yeah, no. There is nothing of value in Elon Musk tweet replies. I like the fact that you follow Teta as well. Big deal on me this month. I don't know if I follow it, but I have it on my list. You know, I have a lot of the things on my list. Anyways, let's do the technical analysis, guys. Let's get into the charts. Make my face small charts bigger and see what's happening with Bitcoin. I'm glad everybody's here. Let's see over here. Well, first thing you'll notice that there is a lot of lines on the chart. So let's explain the lines for new guys. There is this really nice triangle over here. We used a lot of time to create this triangle, you know. So you're pretty confident that the triangle is pretty decent, pretty good. It is confirming literally everything, like bottoms, tops, 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 right, and here bottoms, bottoms, bottoms. Like it's really nice triangle. So you know we are pretty confident that this is the correct triangle. So we are going with it. Yeah. And if you have any idea that there is some other kind of triangle, you know, take it somewhere where people do care. We don't care here. This triangle we use a lot of time, and now we are getting in the ending of the triangle. You know, so we are not gonna change the triangle for this little part over here. Now there is a live stream right now going on. Wait, sorry about that. There is live stream right now going on. The Moon, he's talking about how he's gonna trade this over here because he doesn't care whether it goes up and down. You know, you can always trade it, and that's correct. It doesn't matter which way this breaks out. That's the dominant direction that it will be going in, and you know, you should take your precautions because if it breaks to the upside, you know, it's going up all the way to 46,000 or something like that. Because this is a big triangle. This is a big triangle. But if it breaks on the downside, I think it's going down to like 28,000 or something like that. It can go pretty low, you know. We can always have a fake out or whatever and continue going up or something like that. But these are the targets up and down if it wherever we're gonna break. So that said, we are right now coming in the end of the triangle. So the question becomes, what's happening right now? You can see this number here is 37,583, or actually it's technically 37,568. We drew this yesterday and said we should be closing above this level up here on the daily chart, and you can see that was on the 4-hourly chart. Yeah, on the 4-hourly chart, and that was the 10 and 20 moving average. Yes, here, was it here? No, it was on a 1-hourly. I have absolutely clue where this number came from. Yeah, it doesn't matter. We want to close above that level. That was a 10 and 20 moving average, I think, in the ballpark area over here, right? So we have to close above the 20 moving average or something like that. I think it was 20 moving. If somebody can remind me why we drew the blue line, you know, sometimes this happens, and I don't know why we drew the blue line. Well, doesn't matter, the blue lines there. We want to get above the 10 and 20 moving average on the 4-hourly chart yesterday, right? Before the daily close. Now, we didn't do that, and right now we are still below the 20 moving average. There's 4 minutes and 51 seconds left. Guys, we are going to need to get the close on this live stream, on this candle, 4-hourly close. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. You can see the price is being pushed below the 20 moving average over here. It's fighting for the 20 moving average right now. Above the 10 moving average we are. So the 50 moving average, we went down, we went back up above the 50 moving average, we went above the 100 moving average. Right now we are climbing above the 10 and trying to go above the 20 moving average. So we're gonna see if this actually works out or not. The best case scenario, we close somewhere above the 20 moving average and we continue up. And because if we close below it, then we still have to go to the next candle and break, you know, and stuff like that. We're gonna see that. The important thing to notice that yesterday daily close over here, it looks actually pretty terrible. It's a very bearish candle. This is what we call bearish engulfing candle up here. So this red candle is bearish engulfing candle because it's a lot bigger than the previous one, and this shows just that bears are in control. The bearishness is in control, and bearish, you know, the bulls managed to pull us this much up, but bears managed to like drop the price all the way to the down to the support line, and even hold it almost below there, below the moving averages. So it shows that there is a lot of bearishness still in the market when you have these kind of candles right at the end of a triangle. And right now you can see that we are picking up on the daily chart. We are hitting the 20 moving average with the wick on the daily chart, and this also shows right now there is a resistance on the 20 moving average. So whether we're gonna break this or not, it kind of depends. It looks really sketchy right now. We are getting back above the 10 moving average, but this 20 moving average might actually give us some trouble, and this is the rejection of the 20 moving average. So unless we can get back above this today, I'm pretty confident that we are going to break on the downside. If we cannot get up the 20 moving average today, because we have to get back above the 20 moving average as soon as possible if this is to hold, right? Because there is just like no days left. This is Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You know, we are getting really squeezed into this corner over here right now. Really squeezed. It's like so boring. So let's go back to the 4-hourly. 2 minutes 27 seconds left. Let's see what's gonna happen up here. Let's put some very nice lines over here so we can follow this. And this one is the red one, right? So we're gonna put it in the red color. This is the 4-hourly red one. Yeah, that's the 20 moving average. Let's see on the 1-hourly what we want to do. 1-hourly, I don't think we can get to the 1-hourly 50 moving above 50 moving average. Can you get above 50 moving average or 1-hourly? This is the 50 moving average, so let's do it like this, just so we can see. This is the 50, and then we got the 10 moving average all the way down here. I don't think we're gonna hit the 10 moving average, but you know, we take what we get, and you can see here right now, yeah, it's too high. This is the 1-hourly, and this is the 4-hourly. So you got 1 minute 38 seconds left, 2 minutes left. We're gonna watch this on the 1-hourly candle, just because it's a lot more interesting to watch the 1 minute candles than anything else, right? 1 hour, sorry, 50 MI on 1 hour. We're gonna put this right over there. We're gonna put this is 20 MI on 4 hour, and and this is 10 EMA on 1 hour. There's still like something like 1 minute left. This is last candle, guys, last candle. Let me double check if this is last candle. Yeah, last candle over here, guys. We are below 20 moving average on the 4-hourly chart, and going down, maybe down all the way down to the 10 moving average on 1 hour. If this candle goes below over here, you know, it's not gonna be a good sign though. I have a bad feeling we're gonna dump. Are we another symmetrical triangle on the hourly? I'll check just after this minute. I just want to see how this minute candles is working out. 24 seconds for the close. We are watching the 1 minute candles because, you know, they're a lot more active than watching the 4-hourly candles, you know. Have you checked out SMGM? I have no clue what it is and probably won't do it today. Sorry, mate. Just Bitcoin today. Dump is a good feeling. Depends if you're ready for the dump or not, you know. It all depends on how, you know. 3, 2, and there we go. We got to close. We closed below 20 moving average on the 4 hour. We closed below the 50 moving average on the 1 hourly, but we are above the 10 moving average on the 1 hourly chart. So let's go a little bit back in time. If my trading view wants to update, always ready. That's a good. Yeah, well, my trading view kind of died. It doesn't want to do anything. So, you know, guess we are stuck now. There we go. Just go back, man. Just go back. There we go. There we go. This. Okay, so you can see here that we closed below the 20. This is the 20 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame. We closed 2 candles now in a row below the 20 moving average. Right now we're going for the 3rd candle. You know, eventually, you know, if this is gonna play out, we still got time. It's not a big problem yet. The moving averages on 4-hourly are going in really direction. It's going down. This is going down. This is going up. They're going all over place because the price right now it's too shaky. So it's moving the averages. The moving averages should go either upwards with each other or downwards with each other to confirm the trend. But right now they are all over the place. They're all over the place. So we right now it's too shaky. It's too shaky. But we still got time. This is the triangle, guys. Wherever the triangle breaks, will be the dominant direction. Maybe this will be going on until tomorrow, because tomorrow starts over here. Where's the Sunday? Where's the bloody Sunday? Here, this blue line. This is Sunday over here. Let me go. Sunday. Okay. So after the blue line, that's Sunday, and this is Saturday, okay, Sunday, Saturday, okay, there you go, just so you can visualize it this a little bit better. There is not a lot of candles left. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. No, actually this is all Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4 4-hourly candles left, and you can see how small these candles can be. So you're gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have Sunday, and you know what kind of Sunday is. Usually in crypto it's a bloody Sunday, you know. So we don't want to speculate what's gonna happen over here tomorrow. But right now we're coming very close to it. The fact that we are below the 20 moving average is not a good sign. You want to get above the 20 moving average. But on the daily, it's where the trouble begins. Because if we want to avoid bloody Sunday tomorrow or something like that, and have a really nice nice move on the Sunday, we want to get above the this line up here. That's the 20 moving average. We gotta get above the 20 moving average, either you like it or not. That's at 37,951. 951, let's put it there. You know, you gotta get above the 20 moving average, because if you don't get above the 20 moving average today, that means that this bearish engulfing candle is validated, and this 20 moving average will push us down over here tomorrow. So do be prepared for the downside, guys. Do be prepared. I'm not bearish or anything. I'm told you my target is at 49,000, and I'm looking at 49,000. But this can break on downside, and if it does break on downside, it likely is first we're gonna go down to some kind of 29 levels, and then to 49,000 or something again, all the way up there. That said, bearish, very bearish. We're gonna see where we break out, but the breakout can go both ways. This is a symmetrical triangle, and you know, this triangle break on downside. There is also some kind of you know, we've seen alts break into the upside, right? So you know, if this follows some of those alts, this can actually break the upside. We're gonna see how this is gonna play out. There's still like 2 days left or something like that. Perhaps Monday, perhaps Monday. Anyways, guys, do you got any questions? 2 days till the star confirmation on the weekly. 2 days till morning star confirmation. Mornings. Yeah, there's a morning star on the where is it? Weekly. Yeah, okay. So what he's saying that we are gonna get the reversal pattern over here. We go all the way down, we get some kind of doji or some, this is morning morning doji star or morning star doji. This, and if we can go up, then we get the reversal. But what has to happen is we gotta get above this level. I will show you over here, because you gotta get above the 50 level, or you gotta, for this to be morning doji star pattern, you gotta get above this level up here. Okay, so you gotta get about 50%, and then you get, and then these 3 candles over here are creating the pattern morning doji star, and that's a reversal pattern on the charts, right? So but you gotta get above 38,340, you know. So if you can do that, you are pretty decent on the you are looking to get a really nice candlestick formation pattern on the weekly chart, which is pretty nice, which is pretty good. But you gotta get above that level. You gotta get above that cross. Yeah, that cross is so far ahead of time. Somebody mentioned Benjamin Cohen yesterday and said that he was talking about how we need $800 a day to get to avoid that cross, you know. So you know, it can happen, like we can shoot to the moon, whatever, but you know, it's not, that cross is so far ahead of time. When you come close to it and it's unavoidable, we'll talk about it. How are the adopter t-shirts going? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know anybody who would buy the t-shirt, man. I don't know. Why would you want to have the t-shirt which says late adopter or something else like that? I don't know. Bitcoin will dump to 70k to fill CME gap. Then we have to dump down to the, guys, there is a CME gap. Where is it? Let me check. It's on, there's a CME gap at on the daily chart at here at 9,000. See here, that's a CME gap right over here around 9,000. You know, if you want to close the gaps, you know, this is the daily gap that we have to close. What offer are you going to get for your wife? The newest, the best, the most popular, with the nicest color, you know, all the best for her. An anonymous hacker pissed off with Elon now. How come you're figuring out that? Why are you called the late adopter? I don't know. You know, I wanted to start a channel. I asked some on some forum, like, hey guys, what should I call my channel? Somebody said late adopter, and I picked that. Yo man, I'd buy the t-shirt. We'll see. I would buy 1 or 2, mate. I don't know what to put on the t-shirt. There was somebody posted, actually, somebody actually made a t-shirt on the Telegram and posted it. I will post the t-shirt on the Twitter. I think it's pretty good. Where are you from? I'm from Norway. Okay, guys, I don't. Right now we are getting into where are you from questions. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember that right now it's still nothing is decided. It's still really much. Still a lot. Still going inside this triangle pattern over here. We are at the very ending of the pattern right now, getting this some kind of channel or whatever, trying to break the 20 moving average. We gotta cross the 37,951 on the daily chart if you want to have a good time tomorrow. So if we don't cross the 20 moving average, like, you know, Sunday, it's gonna be like we can have still a green Sunday, doesn't matter, right? Because we are still in triangle. This can go like however much it wants below. It's only the breakout we are waiting for. Breakout is super important, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen on breakout. Just quickly look on the 1 hour chart, getting rejected by the 50 moving average here on the one hour. We're gonna see we're seeing that we cannot get above the 50 moving average. Yeah, just no power. So if we start falling down here below the 20 again, it can start looking terrible. Either way, don't do anything rash before we are actually out of the triangle. Once we are out of triangle, you know, that's when the party is starting. And that's it, guys. That's it for the daily Bitcoin video. Every single day we do this Bitcoin video every single day at 9:30 Central European time. So do make sure to put your alarm clock. This 9:30 Central European time. And hey, bro, never put yourself down. Your t-shirts will do well. Thanks, man. We'll see about the t-shirts, guys. We'll see about t-shirts. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Come back later today and tomorrow at the same time, around the same time, you know, it is Saturday, so we're gonna see what's actually happening. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye-bye. Where's the stop button?